Hauska Castle, a castle situated in the north of Czech Republic, shrouded in dark myths and legends. Why it's considered one of the most haunted locations in the world? Ancient legends may be able to answer that question. Hi guys, welcome to Reactor Returns. Today we will talk about the frightening legends of Hauska Castle. So before moving on, if you are new to this channel, let me tell you we publish exciting contents regularly. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update from us. During the 13th century, the Bohemian ruler Ottokar II built a hilltop castle in the north of Czech Republic. At first glance, the castle seems quite ordinary, but it has so many strange features. Number 1. The castle has no fortifications, no water source, no kitchen for years after it was constructed. This makes it clear that it was not built as a sanctuary or a residence. Number 2. The location of the castle is also very peculiar. It is situated in a remote area surrounded by thick forests far away from any locality. Number 3. According to the legend, Hauska Castle was constructed over a large hole in ground which was known as the Gateway to Hell. The hole was so deep that no one could see the bottom of it. Number 4. Legend has it that a half animal, half human creature used to crawl out from the pit at night, and that black winged creature used to attack locals and drag them down into the hole. Number 5. There were many sacrifices. Prisoners were lowered to this hole in exchange of pardon, and they were asked to report what they saw when they were brought to surface. A man who was lowered into this hole has begun screaming, and when brought back up had aged almost 60 years and driven insane by God knows what he saw in that hole. Number 6. It is estimated that in the 1930s, the Nazis took over the castle to conduct some unknown experiments. Later, 3 bodies of Nazi soldiers were found in that house that seemed to have been killed violently. It is believed that the castle was built to keep the evil in. The location of the castle was specifically chosen in order to cover this mysterious hole from which the demonic creatures emerged at night. Even today, over 700 years after the hole has been sealed, visitors still claim to hear the scratching of creatures from the lower floors at night trying to claw their way to the surface. They claim to hear a chorus of screams coming from beneath the heavy floor.